Robot.
And they're off for qualification 6, starting off with a neutral sample into the high basket for the Red Alliance. That's by 25819. Viking Force. They pick up another neutral sample and get it into the high basket. They're going for a third. Let's see if they get it. They've grabbed it. Oh, and it falls out of their mechanism. So close.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Good job, all right.
You need to raise it higher, Skylar. You need that to be all the way up here.
I know, but it's slow going down.
What?
No. You gotta back up a little bit, about right there.
No, wait.
Open
Wait,
it up.
open it.